This is London. Listen up.
Alert 1 hour green buy line.
Boom, there it is, guys. London with Bitcoin Spike. Did you hear? Okay, green buy line alert on the phone incoming. We want to shout out to our VIP, the #1 trade group, London with Bitcoin Spike, VIP trader. Indeed, we're going to dig into the charts. We're going to talk about an incredible amount of returns. Going to talk about our indicator / software, what we're using. Look at these returns on the screen. This is Venus. Venus, way to go. Incredible returns. I'm going to tell you, look at these returns, 324%, 465%. These are all individual trades. Way to go, Venus. Look at this. And I got a shout out to J-Mac, Daytonian, everybody in the back also trading. But look at this, 343% on top of that, 236%, 126%. Guys, look, 600. Look at this, 600%, but not to be outdone. Take a look at these, 877%. You guys, these are big returns. We're going to go through the details on TA in a minute, but we get to celebrate this, a 2,000% return. That's a 20x. Way to go, Venus. And a 295% return. We have not gone over all of them. I think there's another row or two or three, and not just for Venus, for all of the traders. Way to go. These are the times that we celebrate. I also want to shout out, Indeed, VIP. What did we do? What did we do? When we look at what we did and how we approached the entirety of this move on Bitcoin, what did we do? Look 2 weeks ago back in the instructional, the over the moving average. You guys remember this, the over the moving average on the Bollinger Bands has been incredibly profitable. Way to go. And where did we catch that? Let's dig into the details. I want to show you very quickly, extremely exciting. And guys, we're going to talk about your returns on this specific stream, guys. In terms of everything, what we're going to talk about, your success. That's what I'm concerned about right now is your success. What did we bring to you guys? Let's dig into the details. Now, I'll keep that on the screen. Now, in terms of that over the 20 moving average, yes, I brought you that specific indicator. And where was that? It was on the very first bull flag of the entire move up. Boom. Now, if you did pay attention that 2 weeks ago, and I brought you the indicator as well. Yes. Guys, that daily crossed over, and it was it. That was it. That was the signal. On the hourly, you have had so many good trades. It's literally been automatic, guys. Way to go, VIP. Bravo. Incredible trades. Great times, especially when we catch the first bull flag. Hey, VIP. Guys, very excited. Now, in terms of where we are at, let's dig into the details. And yes, we have some lights going on. I'll get all this set up, guys. I'll get it all set up, I promise. We're working. We're a work in progress. We're focusing very much so on the market. Now, in terms of where we are at, okay, we know, and you guys know, what are we battling? What has been the stopping point on the record? As you all will look at this, on the record, what has been the stopping point? I'm going to go ahead and turn this on for you guys. The QKD, our quantitative kernel delimiter. What is that? Well, that is our own specific indicator showing you a short. Boom. So let it be known, amidst the trajectory to the upside, what's the one thing that has put pause to Bitcoin? Boom. VIP indicator. You guys know that. Bam, to the upside, that daily. What was the one thing that caught the price action? The low. What caught the low? You guys know. Our indicator, bam, with a green buy line on the daily. Way to go. Now, as we look at where we are, this specific golden short, we have a higher level, I'll tell you that. In terms of the price action, we are at a preceding. Take a look at this on the daily. Go ahead and go down into the 4 hourly. So excited for all of your returns. VIP in the house. And guys, VIPtrader.com is incoming, working with the original Bybit development team. Yes, guys, it's incoming. We got a lot of great features, and it's a matter of days, guys, matter of days. Level of resistance on the prior pivot, the hitch, you guys know, a natural stopping place for the specific price action. We are looking in the back right now at some bullish patterning on the micro. What I'm going to tell you is this. Please pay attention. If the market were to pull back, what's going to be on everyone's mind right now? Left shoulder, head formation, right shoulder. We got that right. If the parabolic move stops. We will be looking at a left shoulder, head formation, right shoulder. It would be incredible to see that play out in the market. Indeed. Now, we have some additional patterning. You guys know we have the descending wedge. We have a lot ongoing in terms of the technicals. The one thing I'm going to have to continue to tell you is that we will be on the micro. We will be in the back. Do you want to see the upside target of the inverse head and shoulders? If we could pull back just a touch. If we could pull back just a touch, let's look at that specific, you guys know that amplitude. Boom, carry that up. But boom, and stack it. Let's go on into this micro chart. And I want to let you guys know, we are on an advanced charting system and setup, 15 wide, guys, pro setup. Threw the lights on because everybody's partying. I got to tell you, I get so many videos from people who made money. Yeah, friends, amigos, everything else, VIP all the way, guys. And bam, they are off to the races. You guys be careful. Promise me you be careful, okay? I'm going to tell you guys like that, be careful. Don't party too hard, huh? Don't party too hard, guys. Now, yeah, but guys, you don't want to see all the videos. I'll tell you that in terms of the specifics here. Let's measure to the upside. Let's look if we could pull back. And I'm going to say if we could. I'm fine with parabolic price action, but I want to dig into what's being measured right now. I'll tell you guys, New York Institute of Finance, you know this, New York Institute of Finance is what? Where Wall Street goes to school. So what are the Wall Street big guys looking at right now? If we could get a small pullback, would we maximize this move out over, pay attention, over the specific starting point of the descending wedge? Yes, it is a consideration, right? We have that amplitude move, boom, carried up to the upside. Let's just look at this. Let's look at this. Now, a rounded bottom would also get us there. That'd be a 25% move up to $27,000. Still doesn't seem like enough for Bitcoin. I got to tell you guys, does it seem like enough for Bitcoin? It still just doesn't seem like enough for Bitcoin. At the same time, I understand FTX fallout, everything, probabilities of the downside. Guys, we didn't write that book, but we pay attention to the probabilities big time. Now, the 25% move to the upside. What would, guys, in addition to the momentum, as we're clearly going to say, in addition to the momentum, one thing that could get us there, instead of a right shoulder, pay attention, VIP, pay attention. Instead of, and I make the distinction that we are here on pro level setups, guys, that we are doing the technicals the right way. You guys know that. Looking at the specifics here, yes, the double bottom formation has beautifully worked out, but the nuance to it is what? The nuance is that we have a bit of a rounding. We have a rounding. Very important, guys. Very, very important. Pay attention. VIP, pay attention. The rounding feature. Now, you need to take the internal line on the 4 hourly, etc., but you'll see that rounding feature here on the interior, that interior framework. Definitely the specific rounding feature up and out. Now, there is an expectation per the literature. Again, now listen, guys, Bitcoin can beat the best in terms of the standards. I will tell you, in terms of literature, the focals, in terms of the authorities for TA, there's an expectation that there would be a slight pullback. Boom, guys, a slight pullback, just bam, just enough to where it would be a natural area to short here. Boom, guys, just read through your TA. The real stuff guiding the street, meaning Wall Street. We'll tell you the following. As we continue to trade, okay, as we continue to trade, I will continue to put, and this is a promise from me to you, I will continue to put code green in the back when we are in a bullish pattern, period. And I mean, not just any bullish pattern. When we are at a 70 to 72%, and learn how to trade them, guys, when we're at a 70 to 72% probability of going up, you will see condition green from me. With the caveat, you guys know, London former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice, never be overexposed. Don't do it. I'm telling you guys, do not be overexposed. I will drop the hammer on you and you will be out of VIP if you come to me with a sad song about how you got wrecked. Not in VIP, guys. Very important to me. That's who we are, guys. That's who we are. Shout out again to Venus. So exciting about these specific returns. I also want to shout out to JMac. I know you've been trading. I want to shout out to, and what was it, 100, doubled his money this morning, without a doubt, doubled his money. Daytonian, what, 180%? That was 180%. The last one I saw from you. and Dayton. Nice trades. So yes, we've got the double bottom. We've got the rounded feature. Guys, if we pull back for a right shoulder, I'm going to tell you, the number one thing for the Bulls, everyone knows, stay off of this line. It could be fatal. I'm just going to tell you, morally, it could be fatal. Would we mind it? Not at all. And what's going to guide you from here to there? What's going to guide you? The same thing that I brought up, and this has just been critical, guys. You know how many trades have been in here? How many trades have been in on this specific over the hourly 20 moving average? Don't even ask. It's been incredible on the Bollinger Bands, and yes, we have our specific Bollinger Band for VIP only. You guys know, but our Bollinger Band has just been, guys, it's been amazing. Look at the daily. Look at what was set down there at the bottom on the daily, the over. And we may have a technical glitch. Not sure how that happened. Hold on one second. Let me see if I can undo that. There we go. There we go. Let's go to the daily very quickly, guys. Look at the long signal. You got boom. It's been so kind to the traders. I'm going to tell you, this last week has been so kind to the traders. It's almost like a memo went out. I'm telling you, if you guys trade a lot, you understand the hourly 20 moving average Bollinger Band. It's literally like a memo went out. By the way, maybe soften up on these guys. It's been quite the routine to get down to this level. We're excited about it. And in terms of the additional 1 hour, guys, a 1 hour Bollinger Band. You're not going to make a huge move up or a huge move down without crossing the 20 moving average, that middle level point on the Bollinger Band. Pay attention, guys, to your technicals. This is London with Bitcoin Spike and VIP Trader. We're extremely excited about 2023. If you're not a member yet, make sure that you join from a desktop computer. And guys, this is all at your disposal. We have all of this in the back, etc., for your disposal. It's going to get a little more exciting. And for all the guys who've been partying, I thought, hey, let's put some lights up because I know you're hitting it. Don't hit it too hard, guys. Make sure you eat well, sleep well, and invest in those relationships that you knew were worth investing in before you started investing. And now that you're investing, make sure you invest in these relationships. Guys, London with Bitcoin Spike and VIPTrader.com. Watch that Bollinger. Watch that 20 moving average. It's been printing money for the VIP. One more look at these beautiful, beautiful returns. Can we pull them up? I'm not sure if I can. There. Boom. Look at this wall. Let's dig into this one more time. Look at the wall here. Venus. Just impressive. I love to see success like this. And you know, one of the most important things, I get to say this, guys, one of the most important things as you gauge who you spend your time with, very important, as you gauge who you spend your time with, we made more money on the way down than we have thus far on the way up. Hello. Hello, we've made more money on the way down than we have thus far on the way up. I challenge you to look at your trading potential and gauge it as such. I challenge you, what are you being fed in terms of your technicals? I know this group's going to give it to you a balanced and measured approach so that you could say that you made more money on the way down thus far than you have on the way up. Guys, that's the truth. VIPTrader.com. Yeah, I'm excited, guys. Let's hit 2023 the right way, and that's the right way. Shout out again to Venus. Exciting to be building with you in 2023. And all the VIP, I want to see your storyboards. Show me your trade and your storyboards. Let's crank these up. I know you guys are out there. Let's see what you've got. This is London with VIP Trader. We'll talk to you guys soon. Take care, and bye-bye.